going out rabbit hunting today. I haven't cleaned this gun the last 2 hunts, one of which was at night time in the rain. So, what are you doing, Sheba? I'm just at work here. You know? So it's very stiff. Needs a good cleaning. Get out of it. You can see it's actually rusted inside the action there. You probably can't see it, but it is. Probably should have done the outside of it last. Maybe I'll oil on the outside right now. I'll just get the heavy stuff off. Guns go very bad very quickly when they get wet. For something that's used for outdoor use, I don't know why, but the metals on them, they just get rusty. Very, very quick. Let's just take off the heavy rust on the outside of it. Then I have a cleaning kit for it then for the barrel, for inside the barrel. And then I'll use some Q-tips for around there and inside the action. There's plenty of oil in them. These all just screwed together. And that goes in this end. A nice little wire brush up the end of that barrel. It's filthy. Well, it's actually not too bad after the shooting I was doing 2 days ago, but before that it was freaking filthy. So just running that up there, a few twists at the end, a few twists back, oh, the door will come over, same with the other one, twists, oh, the door to come out, and then one more each. Swap out this head. A nice big fluffy one. Spray a bit of oil on that. And then give it a good clean. Yeah, it's like a brand new barrel in there. I did run this down, it's just a homemade snake. Just a rag with a string on it. I run this down as well just to get any extra bits of crap in there. So it gets all pulled through the one way. Whoop. These are your ejectors. They eject the cartridges out after they've been spent. Just want to give that a good fucking soaking. Good clean up. I want all movement parts to be nice and free. Don't need to do that with the whatever that thing's called, 4-stock or 4 fucking hand or something. That's fine. That's your action. As I said, mine is a bit rusty. Now, it's not dirty, it's just a bit rusty, so I'll probably just put a wet rag in there. That's it. Turn the barrel back on. This is always tricky. There you go. And then your 4-stop thing, whatever that's called. That's it. Go out. Nice and free. And you can put these things in, snap caps. Hit! So it just gives you a chance to dry fire the gun. So she's starting to free up a bit now, anyway. That's it. Gun is ready to rock and roll.